Have a great bass players. We're working on combinations of 8th and 16th notes. So we're working on number 47 in your Sound Innovations book. The first combination is 8th followed by 2 16th notes. So here we go. Let's try it. Number 47.
And 16ths.
And then the next one, number 48, is the opposite combination. So it's doing 8th, 16th followed by 8th. Here we go. Play along. Number 48.
16ths and 8ths.
1, 2. And then the last one, number 49, is sort of a famous classical tune. Oops, gotta turn my page here. Hang on a second. And it is also doing combinations of all those 8th and 16th notes. And the first note is a dotted quarter note. Remember, the dotted quarter notes get 3 little beats. Here we go, 49.
Theme from William Tell Overture.
It's almost like the introduction to that song. All right, I hope you have fun playing. Happy practicing. Bye, bass players.